Yo! First order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $6, going 2.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. It's been like 20 minutes since that last order was dropped off, and finally got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $8, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Closing in on 1 hour done, and only done 2 orders. One was decent, one was just okay. That's not a great start. Over an hour in, and finally got the first order from DoorDash. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is Don Pedro, going 6.5 miles.
Alright, here you go. You have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Was in there for a few minutes. I forgot it was still dark outside. Total for that order was $11 and change. Okay, next up, this one is a whole mess. I don't even know what's going on, to be honest. Originally, it was a shop and deliver for Safeway, $7, going 3 miles, 2 items, but then they give me an add-on. I think the add-on was 2 orders, and I'm not sure if they're going to the same person. But it's Jack in the Box, and that school bus just ran a red light. Jack in the Box and Black Rock Coffee. I believe it said $8, going an extra 4 miles. Don't know why they're making me do the food orders first. I'd much rather do the shopping first so that the food doesn't get cold, but I'm just doing what they tell me. Thank you. There would be 3 people in front of me that all came in together but ordered separately. Like, why? Just order together, come on. I needed a PIN number from you. Next order up is a Carl's Jr. This one is $7, going 4.5 miles. So would be on the 3rd floor. Got this one right away. It is a stacked Starbucks, $8, going 4 miles.
It was cheaper than like paying for parking in a hotel. Yeah, right. So, yeah.
Thank you.
It's a really nice drive.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just got the next order. This is a Taco Bell, going 4 miles. Yeah. Thank you. Total for that one was $8. Not bad. This is a Starbucks, going just under 3 miles. Why are you messaging me? Oh, here we go. Could you please ask for 3 extra cups of ice? I'll give you an extra tip. You are so annoying, but sure, I guess I could do that.
You're outside?
Thank you, appreciate it.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $6, and we'll see if they actually tip extra. Next up, this is Chick-fil-A, $6 going a mile and a half. Hello. I just got hit by the biggest wave of old people air as soon as she opened that door. Oh man, feels like I got punched in the face. It's been like 15 minutes since that last order. I think I'm just gonna start heading home, and if I don't get an order, then that'll be it. Current time is 9:39. Current total is 72, and waiting on a bunch of Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever those come in. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.